D'accord. Toi, est-ce que ça?
Yes. Hallo. Danke.
Aktienmarkt fertig.
Okay, danke.
Bezahlt?
Ja, ich habe schon gesagt.
Okay, ciao, ciao.
Ist es ein... Non, non. Non, c'est je suis à Non. Ready?
Ça va.
Oui, bonjour Agnès.
Ja, hallo.
Allô, allô.
Hallo, hallo.
Ça va, je te dérange pas?
Non, non.
Bon, très bien. Alors, en 2 secondes,
Oui, dis-moi.
tu sais que ça, si Inertia il vient en Europe,
Ah bon?
je vais faire un visa, oui.
Et il
Je
vient...
vais faire un visa.
Ah oui, il vient quand finalement? Parce que...
Je vais faire un visa. Je vais faire un visa pour l'instant, c'est très compliqué de venir
Ah oui.
en Europe. Hein, mais il faut un billet d'avion, il faut un visa, il faut une carte d'identité, un passeport, un compte en banque,
Ouais, ouais.
rendez-vous chez le consul, si son à Bombay, enfin tu vois, c'est très compliqué.
Oui,
Alors
oui,
la
c'est...
question, elle arrive. Je cherche, parce qu'il veut pas venir dans le... Bon, je sais que j'ai déménagé à Berlin et que je lui souhaitais mon accommodation.
Mhm.
Ma question est la suivante. Est-ce que tu connais comment je fais pour trouver des agents artistiques de management d'artistes de musique électronique? Parce que là, je ne trouve que des agents littéraires sur Paris
Ouais.
ou des agents artistiques de musique classique. Bref, je suis très loin du compte.
Oui, oui, je vois ça.
Je pense à toi.
Bah écoute, moi je sais pas du tout, hein, je m'y connais
Ok.
pas du tout en ça, hein. J'aurais,
Ok.
moi ce que j'aurais fait, j'aurais tapé sur Google agent artistique musique électronique déjà.
Ouais, c'est ce que j'ai fait.
Paris?
Il me barre musique électronique, il met musique classique à la place. J'ai déjà fait.
Ah oui, d'accord. Mais je me rappelle l'an
Merci,
dernier, ça,
merci.
il voulait déjà venir, je me rappelle.
Quoi?
Il voulait déjà venir en Europe, ça, l'an
Ah
dernier.
oui.
Tu te rappelles?
Ah oui.
Oui, c'est pour ça. Donc du coup, il continue son projet pour cette
Ouais,
année.
bien sûr.
Mais bon, avec Corona, ça va être difficile, hein.
Ah bah oui, là en lockdown,
C'est encore plus dur,
en
là.
quarantaine.
Ouais, ouais, c'est
Mais
encore
c'est
plus...
pas pour tout de suite, c'est pour 2021.
Ah oui, oui, pour l'an prochain. Mais c'est vrai qu'il faut mieux prendre les mesures maintenant. Hein. Vaut mieux qu'ils prennent les mesures maintenant. Janvier 2021, oui, ben, il faut mieux qu'ils regardent maintenant. Hein.
Ah ben, on prépare le visa, ça se fait pas, ça se fait pas en une demi-heure, le
Oh
visa.
non, puis je suis sûre qu'ils sont bien longs parce que je me rappelle, tu vois, il y a quelques années de ça, j'ai eu des correspondants russes qui étaient venus à la maison, mais ils m'ont dit qu'ils ont dû attendre 2 mois, nuit et jour, devant l'ambassade de Russie pour avoir
Le
le
consul, il
visa.
a pas que ça à foutre.
Oh non, mais faut rester vraiment devant l'ambassade et y coucher jour et nuit en fait.
Ouais.
Juste parce que forcément, t'es pas tout seul à vouloir un visa. Hein.
Ah non, t'es pas tout seul. You're
Bien.
not the one.
Ouais, il y a du monde qui veut la même chose que toi, donc là, t'as intérêt à camper devant. Hein.
Donc là, j'envoie des emails partout, et puis
Oui,
j'ai
sinon,
des
ce que
bons réseaux, donc
tu
c'est pour ça que je me suis
peux... Ouais,
permis
sinon,
de
ce que tu
solliciter.
peux... Ouais, ce que tu peux essayer de faire, c'est si tu connais des clubs ou des bars sur Paris, tu
Ben,
peux...
j'ai 2 contacts dans la famille, 2 cousins qui travaillent dans la musique, mais au Canada, musique active.
Ah oui, d'accord.
Cyril et la fille, elle s'appelle... Putain, je sais plus, c'est quand je mal. Je travaille.
Ouais, si.
Elle s'appelle, c'est la fille de Guylaine, la cousine de ma mère. Elle s'appelle, putain, j'ai oublié, Magali ou un truc comme ça.
Mhm. Ouais, c'est au Canada aussi, et c'est pas facile ça.
Non, c'est pas, c'est niche à toi.
Mhm.
Ok, Alex, je te dérange pas longtemps. Cerveau, c'est un André ou un David.
Yeah, ok, keine Problem.
Ja, bis dann, ciao.
Wiederhören.
Oh.
Okay, today we are the 4th of August 2020 and it's 2:30 today CUT time, and today we will do something that is on link with yesterday. I mean, yesterday we have speak about the story of Mr. P, and this time we will explain more about the group we have mentioned who were against the radio at this time. So this time we were clear much more about this. So, if you have some question,
Yeah. Just a reminder, it was early 2018. It was in February 2018 when this group called, they called themselves Sounds of Electronic Music. So it was called SOM. Sorry for my bad voice. I start to lose my voice, like exactly at this time of SOM. I was also losing my voice.
yes.
I remember I was moderating at this time on the radio. It was also the time where I was losing my voice and moderated even with this heavy voice. So I hope you understand me. It's hard for me to speak, so I let mostly my woman explain it and
Yes.
speak.
Yeah, of course. So, in fact, all it has happened. Some months ago,
When?
I
English time.
I think in I don't remember exactly which time, but Mr. P has told me maybe Mr. D, who was a DJ with us, wants to make himself a radio experiment. He has told me something like this. But this time it was only, let's say, a project and that not really real. And some months later, we were, in fact, every day at this time, we were inviting all our DJ to support the other ones. And finally, to come into our chat and all this. This was our daily work for the radio, to make it grow. And Mr. D, one time, has started to be very angry, especially against Alpha, because he was telling me come and all this, and he say something like, yeah, I've got a normal life and all these things, and started to be very, very angry about this. And then just the next day, in fact, he has cleared this group SOM, but on this group he was not alone, because in fact he was created this together with Mr. M, who was a DJ from Holland, also playing for us, and in fact, there's already a radio in Holland till 2012, and he said he wanted to grow the project together with Mr. D, who was a very busy guy and who have not a lot of time to make radio, and finally was in need of somebody to support his project. So he has chosen this guy to be together, and finally, from the next days of and I think this day also Mr. M was angry. He was saying, no, my woman forbid me to go to radio, and I can't go to your radio. My woman is too angry, I can't. And finally, just from the next day, this group has appeared. And in this group,
It was a Facebook group, a chat group or
Facebook,
what?
exactly, a big chat in Facebook. And inside, there were some radio owners from Italy, for example, and some other radio station owners, and also a lot of DJs that we were knowing. We were at this time DJing on our radio, and some other one also who were on some other stations also, and yes, from a lot of different stations, in fact. From our and from some other radio.
But most linked to us,
Yes, mostly.
or to
Yes,
me.
yes. Some
especially.
people was, for example, former play to us with us, or somebody we were knowing, in fact, for visiting the websites. So it was always links.
So a total mixed up group.
Exactly. And at this time there was a woman in these groups who was called Miss S, who has make some screenshots of what was happening on this group. And for example, we see a guy, this Mr. B, for example, will say, so this Alpha is really a bad guy, or something like this. Together with Mr. F was saying quite much the same thing. Oh, he's really a bad guy. And
So what's the goal? To build a new radio or to make harassment?
yes, in fact, yes, it was not clear. Because finally on this group there are really a lot of people, and Mr. D has included myself in this group too, and just asked myself, hey, do you want to be part of the project?
And can you explain the first impression you had when you saw in the morning when you wake up this group? What did you do?
I was starting to cry like hell because I was totally decided by those people. And second, because I was thinking to myself, oh my god, we will protect our own project finally. If everybody is really against us and want to destroy us, what shall we do for our own project? Because I wanted to protect our own project. So I was thinking what shall we have to do for this finally. So finally, I was thinking, when this guy asked me this, I was telling him, no way, why should I do this? I'm already a co-owner of this other project. So
Can you explain to people what was my first reaction when you told me about this group?
You were very angry, of course.
Yes.
This was your first reaction, angry.
And what did you do at this time?
Finally, in fact, I remember at this time we started to have a flu also, but in any case, we decided to rethink totally the project and take a new server for the project, for example, and a new chat, and bring a new feature, in fact. Total brand new feature inside the radio. Even have a broadcasting software called Sound Broadcaster to moderate in direct. In fact, when the sets are played, instead of just play one after the other like a lot of radio, we were speaking, in fact, and moderating all those sets.
And how many people joined at this time when also this other group left our radio? Yeah, was there a lowdown or did you see that not so much people were coming like before? Or
in fact, yes, in our station, less people were coming to come, in fact.
So it could be a connection that they were all on the side of this.
Yes, and the next day, for example, Mr. M has said, sorry, I don't continue with you. Mr. D is the same, and some other events say the same, in fact, as follow and say no, except Mr. P, who has decided to stay at this time there. But some other, Mr. D, Mr. M, and some others say no, we stay here. Without no reason finally, because they have not tell us it's because I joined another station. They have just not tell no reason.
And they planned their opening, as I remember, 2 days, 2 weeks after
Yes.
for this video.
Yes, exactly. They were trying to plan a big opening, in fact. But and with also, for example, some former DJ of us, that's Mr. R, Miss L. And at this time, Mr. R has just say, no, I don't want to be here. I've not so much time. Mr. P also has said the same. Mr. P has said the same, and some other from Italy has said, no, I've got no time. I can't do it.
Where? On our radio or on this?
On this radio, for participate to the opening of the station.
SYM.
Yes, exactly. And Mr. S from India has said the same. Sorry, I don't want to be on this. And then this time, this Mr. S from India was also speaking for us. And I say, I think if those guys want to return, never let them return on this station, on your project. Because seems to be strange, guys. This Mr. S has told us this, in fact. Mr. S of India, so he was trying to tell them about about these books, in fact.
Okay.
And say, please be careful with this, so. And just on the day of this opening, sometimes before, we on our side I find Mr. M. We were making some show.
Hold on, speak teacher with his son.
Yes, with a video show only. He was specialized in this, so independent from any station. And finally at this time, we were speaking to him a long time. And finally at this time, he told us, okay, do this. And,
So in fact, on the opening, on the same time, we had the first show of
Mr. M and son.
let's say the team TC,
Yeah, exactly. The team TC has started first
which
time.
was father and son.
Exactly. The team father and son has come to us.
Okay. A whole based crew, a family who's been only on live stream video.
Exactly. Only live stream video, no podcast, and independent from radio also.
And what did I do to offer them a place on UGC?
We have just, in fact, tell them you can do for the visual, the logo, etc.
Yeah.
Offer them all the because it was not very good on visual and they were not very good in technique. So you say, okay, I can offer you the knowledge to improve it.
Yeah, so we played on this opening night first time. And I remember you were visiting this opening.
Yes, at this time I wanted to see what happening on this opening, and I have seen Miss L on this time. So, and Miss L was a former DJ of us, and
Yes, DJ.
yes, exactly. And she was just talking.
She was brought by Mr. R.
Yes, both by
Original.
Mr. R, exactly. And she told just what's the hell you do here? And I just tell him I just come to pay a visit, as I do a lot of people there. So
And she said,
and she just told me you're just a big pig, you know?
big.
Yes, a big pig.
So, in fact, her reaction that you visit there was that she was going in for directly against you.
Yes, without. In fact, I've just seen nothing, you know. I was just there
And
quiet.
did they block you then? Or
No, on this time I don't think so, because it was on Mr. D or Mr. M to make an action, and I don't think they have make it.
okay, but you left yourself.
Yes, because later there was return. I was very shocked by the reaction on Miss L, because I didn't think, because Miss L early times was always friendly with me, always saying, oh my miss, you know my miss and all this, you know, all the nice.
A friendly sister
Yes,
in
yes,
real life.
exactly. Always say, hey, my sis, come on, and something like this,
Yeah.
you know. And this time,
Did this Miss L had really contact with me?
in fact, just to spin on the radio.
But no direct contact.
No, because she was speaking only French, not really English, so it was mostly contacting like this, you know.
Okay, so in fact you were having the contact.
Yes.
with her.
Yeah, just saying, hey, my sis and all this.
Yeah.
So, only friendly contact. That's why I was terribly shocked what was she has.
And where
said,
did
no?
you know, where did you get to know first time this Miss L? From where do you have found
From
her?
Mr. R.
Who introduced you to Miss L?
Mr. R.
Mr. L, yes.
Yes, together with Mr. L. Was a friend of her too.
Ah, okay. And so you were terribly shocked that they
Of course, I didn't understand why. In fact, first this deal invited
And can you
them.
explain why you think they? I mean, when this group was begin also maybe a part of not only a radio, also let's say try to kill our radio at the
Yes.
same time, or
Yes, it was-
harassment against our radio.
Yeah, it was totally against us. And,
But
our work.
why do you think these guys included you in this chat group?
First, he wanted me to see what he do and prove to me that he's big enough to bring all the guys together. This, I believe this, in fact.
Okay.
And second thing, trying to bring me on his cause, in fact,
Yeah.
and say, turn me against you, and say, yes, he's the evil guy, don't follow him again, and stay with us, we are the peaceful part, please don't
Ah,
say
yeah.
something like this. In fact, he has never tell him directly, but
The messages sounded like this,
exactly.
in between the lines, let's
Exactly,
say.
between the lines. Yeah, he has never tell him direct, huh? But between the lines, it was sounding exactly like this.
Do you think we probably would have still these screenshots of this Miss S?
Oh, I think somewhere on our storage.
Oh yes, oh it will be, maybe appear in some future
Yeah,
episodes.
yeah, but it's on the storage. There is
Let us take some time
yeah,
to
yeah.
discover it.
There's something about B, F, so Mr.
Yeah.
B, Mr. F.
Yeah,
All this is so safe somewhere.
Yeah.
Thanks, Miss S, for the big work about this.
yes,
But apropos Miss S, for a few times ago after, she has turned also against us, you remember?
oh, tell me.
Yeah, in fact, she has made this, and after she told Pierre, I don't want to make all those screenshot anymore, or to watch some radio for you, or make some, or help you, in fact, to defend you. I don't want to defend you anymore, because in fact, this Mrs. was the former flirt of Mr. R.
Ah yeah. And who was, can you explain, there's also Miss M, you know?
Yes,
And Miss
yes.
M and T. And
Yes.
was she loyal still at this time?
Yeah, this
And
time.
Mr. X, was he also loyal, or
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
X?
yes, this time, yes.
So they stayed.
M and T was always there.
No, MT and Miss
And-
MT and,
yeah,
and Mr.
M-
X.
Yes, MP. Yes.
MP, yes.
Yes,
So these were, and Mr. S.
and S. Yes.
So in fact, these people stayed.
Yes.
The other
Yes.
ones, and what happened finally on the opening? Or after the opening?
In fact, it was a good success for us. Was finally people were surprised to find Mr. TC Team here, and they were very happy to find TC Team here. And finally, they were not in the chat room of us, but they were all totally surprised by the video, in fact.
Yeah.
And they were all coming on the video, in fact, to see.
Was our logo on these videos?
Yes, of course, we have asked TC to make it, and we have bring them a brand new logo.
Can you find this video still in YouTube or in Facebook or
I
somewhere?
think you haven't sent us some recordings show.
Yes, this too, yeah, but is it still found in Facebook?
Oh, YouTube, yes, on the YouTube channel TC, you've got it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And what happened finally to this radio station? This SRM.
Finally,
Whatever.
in fact, Mr. P has cleared me this, I must say. He has tell me the truth about this.
Uh-huh.
And today, Mr. M also has at the same time tell me the truth. In fact, Mr. D was a very busy man and has no time for the video. And I was always saying, listen, do this, do this, do this, do this. Mr. M, in fact, he wants to do. And Mr. M, I say, hey, come on, I got my woman too, and I can do it for you all the time like this. So finally, he say this to Mr. D, and even there was at this time Mrs. L, who was a closer friend to Miss L, and who was starting to say, okay, I can maybe help you, take over and all this. And together with Miss L, in fact, say, okay, we can be part of the team and try to take some over. But finally they couldn't hold it because they can't be also really always there, in fact, for the same reason as me. So finally they couldn't also hold it. And finally they have decided to shut it down by lack of time.
Okay.
And before shutting down, Mr. M has split with them also. But he has decided to continue his own project.
What was his own project?
It was, I don't remember the name, but it was a project in Holland, a radio project in Holland.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That he had till 2012, and he say, hey, shit, I go back to my things and I let you there.
So, to end this video, do not make it again 40 minutes. Is there something which is missing on details which probably should be told?
No, this is really the main fact. And maybe later we will make appear some details with B, with all this F or whatever. But for about this Italian station maybe. But for the moment, I think the main facts are there about this OEM.
Thank you, Alex, and again.
And I have to make something. Statement of me. I swear on God that all these are true facts and never forced by nowhere else. And it's only the truth. Or I know.